once again.
Hi, I am Angela Alcel, and I will tackle about Edgardo D. Gomez. Edgardo D. Gomez is a Filipino scientist who was conferred the rank of National Scientist of the Philippines in 2014. Professor Emeritus for Marine Biology at the University of the Philippines Marine Science Institute. He said, and I quote, "As a marine biologist, my focus has been on our oceans and coasts, especially the coral reefs and important invertebrates to my being honored today with a degree of science, a distinction that precious few individuals obtain. Indeed, this is an unexpected honor, but an honor that vindicates my pursuing a career in marine biology and conservation." That's what he said. And also, he is the invertebrate biology and ecology through giant clam or Pteridactyla gigas, culture and restoration and coral reef assessment and conservation initiatives such as coral reef rehabilitation. He leads the world's first national scale assessment on damage to coral reef, leading to the international conservation initiatives such as planting of corals. He also pioneered giant clam or Tridactyla gigas breeding station in Bolinao and the other protective areas for coastal communities of the Philippines. He took part in creating the baseline map of the Philippines, and he provided information to the Philippine government for its influence in talks over the territorial disputes in the Spratly Islands. In 2007, he pioneered the study of ocean acidification caused by increased levels of absorption of carbon dioxide in the ocean. That's all about Edgardo D. Gomez.
Hi, I'm Rosalie Presnido, and I will tell you the contribution of the Philippine artist named Enrique Austria Jr. His contribution to the field of pediatrics, neonatal, hyperbilirubinemia, and neonatal drug addiction, including his work on the detection of fetal exposure to drugs and tobacco. He has served as chef of pediatrics and director of university nurseries at the Detroit Medical Center Hansel Women's Hospital. His previous studies also looked at fetal exposure to environmental pesticides and its long-term effect on new behavioral development. He collaborated with scientists at the University of the Philippines and the Department of Science and Technology of the Philippines to improve IT cognitive function among preschool age, given is now fortified within Moringa oleifera that can be used as food supplement to combat malnutrition.
My name is Rosaline Furio, and I will tell you the contribution of a Filipino scientist named Jose Bihar Cruz Jr. Jose Bihar Cruz Jr., a noted control theorist and distinguished the professor of Institute Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Cruz is the first summa cum laude graduate of the Electrical Engineering program on the UP or University of the Philippines and topped the Electrical Engineering Board examination. Only in engineering, but also in other disciplines like economics, social science, biology, chemistry, and physics.
I will continue the explanation of this video about the contribution of Filipino scientist named Jose Bihar Cruz Jr. Dr. Cruz is an exceptional Filipino electrical engineer who has made his mark in the field of engineering by pioneering and establishing theories, principle analysis, tools, and design methodologies in a complex system. The concept has the flexibility of being applied to any field.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Ferhas, and I will explain the contribution of Filipino scientist named William Padunina. Expertise biogas
emergence of his roles as a scientist, teacher, researcher, administrator, and policymaker. His research scientists include the chemistry of coconut production, of novel derivations of coconut fatty acids, medicinal plants, chemistry isolation, identification and biological testing of novel active constituents of Philippines medicinal plants, particularly to those with anti-allergy and anti-diabetic properties.
Dr. Rafael D. Guerrero III, who was recognized because of his scientific and technical contribution to the road, Sahara, and hatchery. He continued to serve as the first dean of College of the Fisheries. He became head of the College Inland Fisheries of Central Luzon State University from 1976 to 1981. Dr. Guerrero has published a lot of works related to tilapias. Here are some of his publications this writer has captured. 1975 monoset sculpture of male and female tilapia in pounds at 3 shocking rates. He was also consultant for aquaculture of various governments such as Technology and Livelihood Resources Center. He also served as a president of the Fisheries Research Society of the Philippines and served as the director and visiting professor of aquaculture management of the CDFM.
My name is Jan Carson and I'm going to discuss Lilian Romaleno Patina. Land biotechnologies discovered the secrets of life sequence micropropagation. She invented leaf bud cutting to grow past cassava. Also studied about patatas, sibuyas, luya, saba, and saging to grow fast. Margie Royce, educator in ground choice.
And I will love the Filipino scientist named Dr. Cesar A. Saloma. Cesar A. Saloma is a professor of physics at the National Institute of Physics NIP. In the University of the Philippines, Diliman, or UPD, he was Dean of the College of Science, or CS. At UPD from June 2000 to May 2006 until March 2006. He also served as NIP Director from June 2000 to May 2006 to TERS. But was recognized for his contribution to photonics and signal processing that were accomplished with colleagues and students at NIP. Saloma led the development of a method to generate the high contrast image of semiconductor sites via one-photon optical medium current imaging and focal reflectance microscopy. He has published more than 100 papers in leading photonics, applied physics, and multidisciplinary journals in the US and Europe.
Hello everyone, we are talking about Filipino scientist who is Josefino Cacas Comiso. Dr. Comiso has been a leading physical scientist with a Goddard Space Flight Center in NASA since 1979 and has worked on research related to climate change ever since. He was instrumental in global project observing the planet rapidly declining perennial sea ice cover and produced a paper on the subject that has been cited over the 1,000 times. Dr. Comiso's work has times the intensity of the global average. His education was interrupted for 2 years, and when he returned, a subsequent aptitude test helped point him toward in mathematics and physics as career. Dr. Comiso earned a BS in Physics with the University of the Philippines and was offered a position immediately by the Philippine Atomic Research Center, the Feynman diagrams were a source of initial and inspiration for Dr. Cuiso in directing his interest in particle physics.
Josepino Cacas Cuiso. Dr. Cuiso's achievements with NASA include space-based assessments of surface temperature, tracking sea ice distribution, and observation of phytoplankton bloom in the Earth's polar regions. This and other advances helped from his work in 2010 titled Polar Oceans from Space. Dr. Gumiso is particularly excited to be working in a field that can have profound impacts on human society. He has been prolific, having been the author or co-author of 6 books, 20 books chapter, and more than 130 reference journal publications, and has been one of the coordinating lead authors of the 2014 Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report, which is regarded as one of the most authoritative documents on climate change.
Ramon Cabanas Barba developed a process that caused the flowering and fruiting of mango trees 3 times a year instead once of a year, so dramatically improving yields. In the year 2014, he became national scientist in the Philippines for his distinguished achievement in the field of plant, physiologically focusing on induction of flowering of mango and all micropropagation of important crop species. At the University of the Philippines in Los Baños, Laguna, finished his college degree in 1958, graduated and obtained his degree in Bachelor of Science in Agriculture with a major in Agronomy and Fruit Production.
Guys, karugpong po ito ng linag ni Jubit Hugo na tungkol kay Ramon Cabanas Barbas. He also developed a tissue culture procedure for sugar cane that allowed the rapid production of large amount of disease-free planting materials. He soon developed the plant growth enhancer flush which speed up the growth cycle of trees and advanced flowering. Since the discovery of Ramon Barbas method to include flowering for mango plants, the mango industry in the Philippines expanded apart from the mango produce themselves other business sectors such as the producer of the pest control chemical, harvester, seller, and all other smaller group of workers related to mango industry have benefited from his invention. This technology has been also successfully applied on other fruit trees including cashew.